We have the California Supreme Court shooting down this measure that would have allowed Californians to vote on whether the state would be divided into 3 smaller states. Now, this was being pushed by Tim Draper, and it obviously deals a serious setback to those plans that he had put forth. But the idea of splitting California into different regions, so to speak, isn't just his idea. It's held by many others, different groups. He just so happens to be a billionaire and was able to voice his opinion and get it out there far and wide. And he knew that there was a large crowd out there that was wanting this, but for different reasons. Others are against it because they didn't want to see California divided and torn apart to begin with. Others say, well, you have to look at what you've allowed to happen and where it's going to go from here. And it's going to continue to be a debate, in my opinion. You have, like I said, many different groups coming together talking about this, but this right here, it was known as Proposition 9, or the Cal 3 measure. It had received enough signatures from supporters to qualify for the ballot. But apparently, as of right now, this is where it all sits. So, in terms of what was being talked about, the whole idea behind it, it's being stalled out here in terms of this. But like I said, we have other groups that are talking about taking areas like not the map you see here, but taking kind of the northernmost section of California along with the southernmost portion of Oregon and making it a state. And that has to do with a bunch of farmers and things of that nature that think it's in their best interest to do that and to break away from the high tax rate that's been imposed on the region from big corporations in Silicon Valley. But that's where it sits, the latest update. I'll leave a link here and I'll continue to update if I hear of any other measures that are brought up in regards to this. And make sure to tune in to Underground World News Live, Friday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern, Dabu 77. Hope to see you there.